Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Rosewood Heights, local and long distance movers near me. We provide you with the necessary long distance moving services, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time moving up from pricing. We make sure you get the best out of your moving day, and our team offers everything you need to make relocating easier. Whether you're going 100 miles, 1,000, or 2,000 miles, we're ready to help you. You might not think an Illinois moving company is necessary for your local move. However, the right movers will save you tons of time and energy. Plus, you no longer have to do the heavy lifting and won't risk injury. Good movers will provide you tons of benefits, even on a shorter move. Hiring 3 movers gives you a streamlined moving day process. We know how to get you loaded up and down the road faster and efficiently. If the move would take you all weekend, we can get it done in just a few hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Rosewood Heights moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.